Welcome to TechMirror, the best greenhouse kits in 2026. In this video, we explore the most reliable, durable, and easy-to-assemble greenhouse kits for home gardeners and professionals. Whether you want to grow vegetables, herbs, or flowers all year round, we have selected options that offer excellent climate control, strong frames, and long-lasting materials. Stay tuned to find the perfect greenhouse kit for your gardening success. Number 5. This Backyard Discovery Poppy Greenhouse Kit offers a premium solution for year-round gardening with strong construction and thoughtful design. Built with cedar wood and polycarbonate panels, it provides durability, natural resistance to decay, and excellent light diffusion for plant growth. The structure is engineered to withstand heavy snow loads and strong winds, making it suitable for challenging climates across different regions. Inside the greenhouse, users benefit from spacious shelving, staging racks, and plant hooks that support organized and efficient gardening activities. An integrated exhaust fan and adjustable window improve airflow, helping maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels throughout the growing season. The built-in power port with electrical outlets and USB ports adds convenience for powering gardening tools and accessories. Exterior and interior hose connections make watering plants simple and efficient, from seedlings to mature growth stages. Assembly is straightforward, with pre-cut parts and clear instructions, supported by a digital application guide. Its modern cedar finish provides an attractive outdoor appearance that blends well with gardens, patios, and backyard landscapes. Overall, this greenhouse kit delivers strength, functionality, and style for gardeners seeking a reliable, long-lasting growing environment. With strong warranty support and weather-tested durability, it offers confidence for long-term use in varying conditions. It is suitable for vegetables, herbs, and flowers while maintaining stable internal climate control. This makes it a valuable addition for home gardeners who want productivity and sustainability throughout the year. Overall, it ensures dependable performance and excellent gardening results every single season. Number 4. The Backyard Discovery Zalie Greenhouse Kit is a premium walk-in structure designed for serious gardeners who want a reliable and spacious environment for year-round plant growth. Built with durable cedar wood and reinforced polycarbonate panels, it delivers a strong balance of natural beauty and long-lasting performance. The cedar frame provides excellent resistance to decay, while also giving the greenhouse a warm and attractive appearance that blends well into outdoor spaces. With a large interior space of 86 square feet, this greenhouse offers ample room for growing vegetables, herbs, flowers, and even starting seedlings in organized sections. The foldable and fixed staging shelves help maximize planting efficiency while keeping tools and pots neatly arranged. Ventilation is well designed, with a temperature-activated exhaust fan and 2 easy-open windows that support healthy airflow and pollination, which is essential for consistent plant development. This model also stands out for its weather resistance, as it is engineered to withstand heavy snow loads and strong winds, making it suitable for challenging climate. The commercial-grade polycarbonate panels improve heat retention and help maintain a stable internal environment throughout different seasons. Convenient features such as interior and exterior hose hookups simplify watering, while the integrated power port allows easy access to electricity for gardening equipment and lighting needs. Assembly is made easier with pre-cut and pre-drilled components, along with step-by-step guidance through a digital application. Overall, this greenhouse kit combines durability, functionality, and modern design, making it an excellent choice for gardeners who want a dependable and productive growing space. Number 3. The Backyard Discovery Belrose Greenhouse Kit is a premium walk-in gardening structure designed for users who want durability, functionality, and an elegant outdoor design in one complete package. Built with 100% cedar wood and reinforced polycarbonate panels, it offers a strong and naturally resistant frame that performs well in different weather conditions while maintaining a visually appealing appearance. The light brown cedar finish, combined with the attached pergola, creates a stylish garden centerpiece that blends beautifully into outdoor landscapes. This greenhouse provides a spacious interior layout that allows gardeners to comfortably manage a wide variety of plants, including vegetables, herbs, and flowers. The integrated staging shelves offer excellent organization and help maximize planting space, while plant hooks provide additional flexibility for hanging pots or climbing plants. Ventilation is highly efficient thanks to a temperature-activated exhaust fan and 2 easy open windows, ensuring proper airflow and healthy growing conditions throughout the year. One of the standout features of this model is its exceptional weather resistance. It is engineered to withstand heavy snow loads and strong winds, making it suitable for demanding climates. The commercial-grade polycarbonate panels improve insulation and help maintain stable temperatures inside the greenhouse, supporting consistent plant growth in all seasons. Convenience is another strong advantage of this greenhouse kit. It includes interior and exterior hose hookups for easy watering, along with a built-in power port system that supports electrical tools and gardening equipment. Assembly is simplified through pre-cut and pre-drilled components, along with clear instructions available in a digital application. Overall, the Backyard Discovery Belrose Greenhouse Kit delivers outstanding durability, smart functionality, and elegant design. It is an excellent investment for serious gardeners who want a reliable and productive growing environment throughout the year. Number 2. The Backyard Discovery Poppy Greenhouse Kit is a premium walk-in gardening structure designed for serious gardeners who want durability, convenience, and year-round growing performance in one complete solution. Built with high-quality cedar wood and reinforced polycarbonate panels, it offers a strong and naturally resistant frame that stands up well against changing weather conditions while maintaining an attractive outdoor appearance. The light brown cedar finish gives it a warm and modern look that blends seamlessly into garden and backyard environments. With a spacious interior design, this greenhouse provides ample room for growing vegetables, herbs, flowers, and seedlings in an organized and efficient way. The integrated staging shelves and tiered racks allow users to maximize vertical space while keeping plants neatly arranged. Plant hooks add extra flexibility for hanging baskets or climbing plants, making it suitable for diverse gardening styles. Ventilation is highly effective in this model, thanks to a temperature-activated exhaust fan and 2 easy open windows that promote consistent airflow and healthy plant development. The commercial-grade polycarbonate panels enhance insulation, helping to maintain stable internal temperatures and improving heat retention throughout different seasons. This greenhouse also focuses strongly on user convenience. It includes both interior and exterior hose hookups that make watering simple and efficient. The built-in power port system with electrical outlets and USB ports allows easy access to power for tools, lighting, or other gardening accessories. Assembly is straightforward, with pre-cut and pre-drilled components along with step-by-step digital instructions. Overall, the Backyard Discovery Poppy Greenhouse Kit delivers excellent durability, smart functionality, and practical design. It is an ideal choice for gardeners who want a reliable and productive growing environment that supports healthy plant growth throughout the year. Number 1. The Backyard Discovery Belrose XL Greenhouse Kit is a top-tier walk-in gardening structure designed for users who need maximum space, strength, and year-round growing capability. Built with 100% cedar wood and reinforced polycarbonate panels, it combines natural durability with modern engineering to create a long-lasting and visually appealing outdoor greenhouse. The light brown finish and attached pergola add a timeless garden aesthetic that enhances any backyard setting. One of the most impressive features of this greenhouse is its extremely spacious interior. With over 140 square feet of growing space, it easily accommodates large plants, raised beds, wheelbarrow access, and organized gardening zones. The extensive shelving system allows efficient use of vertical and horizontal space, making it ideal for both hobby gardeners and more advanced growers. Multiple plant hooks also provide flexibility for hanging plants and decorative arrangements. Ventilation is highly effective, with a temperature-activated exhaust fan and 2 easy open windows that ensure proper airflow and stable growing conditions. The commercial-grade polycarbonate panels significantly improve insulation, helping to retain heat and maintain a consistent internal environment throughout all seasons. This greenhouse also excels in convenience and functionality. It includes interior and exterior hose hookups for easy watering, and a built-in power port system with electrical outlets and USB ports for powering gardening tools and accessories. Assembly is made more manageable with pre-cut and pre-drilled components, along with interactive digital instructions. Engineered to withstand heavy snow loads and strong winds, this greenhouse offers exceptional reliability in demanding climates. Overall, the Backyard Discovery Bellerose XL delivers outstanding durability, generous space, and advanced gardening features, making it an excellent investment for serious gardeners seeking a professional-grade outdoor growing environment. That wraps up our guide to the best greenhouse kits in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect option for your gardening needs. All the products mentioned offer great durability, performance, and value. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite greenhouse kit. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful gardening guides and reviews coming soon. Always ahead.